I'm Ava, and today we're going to be making cinnamon pancakes. So to start off, take 2 cups of the pancake mix of your choice and sift that into your bowl. So while I'm doing this, we can go ahead and start with our cinnamon. So take 1 tablespoon of cinnamon and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Mix that all up. Make sure it's really good incorporated so you don't get a chunk of cinnamon in your sugar. And then add that to your flour. We have to really make sure it's well incorporated or you're going to have lumpy pancakes. So now we need to add our water. And that is 1 cup and 1/3 of a cup. So mix that all up. And if it ends up being too thin, we can just add more batter. But if it's too thick, we can add more water. So once this is all stirred up, we need to put it on the stove. And the way you know when to flip your pancakes is when they start bubbling up towards the top. You need to pop, once the bubbles pop, that's when you need to flip the pancake. So while this is gonna go on the stove, we're gonna make cinnamon butter. So for that, you're going to need 1 stick of butter. Okay, so now that we have our butter in and we've whipped it, because you have to whip the butter with a handheld mixer or a stand mixer, whatever you have. And then we need to add half a cup of honey, a 1/4 of a cup of powdered sugar, 3/4 tablespoon of cinnamon, and 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And also with that cinnamon, it was teaspoon, not tablespoon. Okay, well now our cinnamon butter is finished, and once our pancakes are off, we're good to go. That's it. Thanks. Enjoy.